Hello friends, let's learn multiplication using the trick in just 5 seconds. 9 cross 9 is equal to 81. 8 plus 1, 8. 9. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Answer is 1781. Next question 3 8 cross 7 8. 8 cross 8 is equal to 64. 3 cross 7 is equal to 21. Plus 8 is equal to 29. Answer is 2964. Next question 6 cross 6 is equal to 36. 5 cross 4 is equal to 20. Plus 6 is equal to 26. Answer is 2636.